Time4Kidz provides quality childcare for children ages 2.5 to 12 years old. We have a fun, engaging setting that every kid will love. The only drop-in play care center in the Linwood area, we provide the kids with tons of options while you run your errands, take a break, go out for the evening, or celebrate a special occasion. We also offer a preschool curriculum during the week and private party bookings. We strive for excellence by hiring loving people who are experienced and committed to children. Our staff is certified in first aid and CPR, screened with criminal background check, and required to attend ongoing trainings. As a daycare provider for over 8 years and a mom of 5 kids, I understand the need to offer parents the flexibility of drop-off care to help them catch up on errands, go shopping, personal needs, or simply time off for entertainment, knowing their kids are having a fun and positive experience in a high-quality care. We are conveniently located across from the Alderwood Mall at 3333 184th Street Southwest, Suite F in Linwood, Washington, 98037. Call us 425-678-0376. Visit our website at Time4Kidz.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Time4Kidz.